Hello and welcome to Refractory Studios, and we are excited to guide you through our series, Python Projects for Beginners. In this series, hosted exclusively on Refractory Studios, we'll be creating a variety of simple yet useful applications, such as a to-do list, contact management system, library management system, and more. These projects are designed to help you understand Python basics and build your coding confidence. Each episode will focus on a specific project, where we'll 1. Introduce the project and its purpose. 2. Break down the project structure. 3. Code step by step together. 4. Test and run the application. 5. Recap key concepts and suggest next project based on same syntax. To follow along with Python projects for beginners on Refractory Studios, you'll need to have Python installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, head over to python.org and download the latest version. The installation process is straightforward. For coding, we'll be using Visual Studio Code, VS Code, a powerful and beginner-friendly IDE. You can download it for free from code.visualstudio.com, depending on your operating system. That's it for the setup. In the next episode of Python Projects for Beginners on Refractory Studios, we'll dive into our first project, a simple to-do list application. Make sure you have Python and VS Code ready to go. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next episode.